Okay, guys. So today I'm going to show you how I've structured my folder for my website and how my website works itself. So looking at my website structure, I have an index HTML page, a home page, and then 5 pages for 5 topics, one timeline page over here. And then I have a JavaScript and a CSS script, what do you call, file for the timeline. Then I have an about me CSS for the about me page, and then I have the page 2 CSS, which is poorly named, but it goes over all of these CSS. It has a CSS for all of these pages. And then we have the timeline CSS, that's once again for the timeline about me page. And we have the main 2 script and style CSS for the index page. Okay, so with this, let's get into our website. Okay, so when you load, this is how the website appears. There is a favicon up there, and I'm yet to change the name. Web development to interweb, sorry. Okay, so master the interweb. That's my topic. I like the word interweb, so I just chose it. Okay, so this is yet to change this purple color, but what happens is you see on the side here, right? This I've developed using JavaScript. It shows you where you are. Scroll indicator bar. I try to move this whole thing, but that just made the whole experience unpleasant. That's why I have moved to this substantial decision. Okay, so you have many materials here, such as what do you call web browsing, cybersecurity for you to study, and then we have a footer which takes you to all the places you would want to go. Sorry, it's lagging because there's too much code there and my internet's Wi-Fi is bad right now, but that's how this works. So we can first go to the about me page. All of these like when you hover over them they increase in size. That's pretty cool. Okay, so let's give it a little bit of time, right? But until then, let's we can open up these other pages, introduction, packets and everything. But because it's done, let's go see this. What I've done here, because this is an about me page, I wanted to symbolize who I am. So in this I have like these fun jumping motion. So this was pretty easy to make in JavaScript, just a few lines of code. And then CSS, you just change the hover effect when you hover over it, and then in the JavaScript you make the shrinking and expanding effect. That's all I did. And then we have this side navigation bar, so you can navigate through the page. I really like the concept of a side navigation bar. Okay, you can scroll down or click there. This is about me, like who I am as a person. This is the website. This video that I'm taking right now will go here, so don't worry about it. Then we have the okay, that was the website. Then we have the code for the website. So what do you call explained how I coded this. And then finally we have contact. You can contact me here. This is also a fun video to watch. If you ever come across me, ask me for this video. I'll show you. It's pretty fun to watch. Okay, now let's go to other pages in our website. Intro to web, intro to interweb. Sorry, intro to internet. Okay, so now we have a huge header here, and then we have all the informations inside an accordion. You can what do you call click, and it opens up, and there's an image for every single definition. It helps you understand easier. That's the whole concept behind it. And then you can go to the binary, enter numbers, right? So let's say I want decimal to this is a decimal to binary calculator, right? So I want 20 in binary. That's in binary. 1000. That's 20 in binary. You can go it works for any number. You can go behind and above, and it still works. And I've designed it so when you see online, right, all of those they go across the side, but mine doesn't. So because I just added an extra line of code so that it doesn't overflow, and it makes the whole experience better. So yeah, that's what we have, a thing for everything. And then we have the same thing for packets, routing, cybersecurity, and cookies. So domain, all these. This was an actual this was actually an extension, but I did do it. And then we have history of the internet. So this is the timeline, right? I have this cool effect slides in when you pull down, and they all are in a box column, making it easier for you to read. Each of those as an image again. This is why I love this website. I really love it. Even though I made it, I really love it. And then we have this bibliography, right? There's this little button that you click for it to come over. So this even required a little bit of JavaScript. But yeah, bibliography timeline. And then here, the nav bar is different. You click here, and that takes you to pages. That's because it looked wonderful there. Now you can go to the About Me page. And that's the whole website, guys. So, hope you loved it, and thanks.